between siblings or among neighbors can be easily resolved through talks. However, when a conflict turns insurmountable, the parties involved often seek the intervention of India's judicial system. Our country's judiciary is independent and powerful. It cannot be influenced or controlled by either the legislature or the executive branches of the government. This ensures that courts can enforce our country's laws in a fair manner. India's judicial system works through an integrated network of courts. Decisions of higher courts are binding on lower courts. To understand the structure of India's judicial system, let's trace the journey of a typical case. Depending on the nature of a case, it can first be filed with one of several subordinate courts at the district level. The various subordinate courts include civil courts, revenue courts, criminal courts, and Nyaya Panchayats. Civil courts hear cases related to the rights and obligations of individuals. Examples of civil cases include property disputes, divorce proceedings, and financial transactions. Revenue courts hear disputes between the government and individuals regarding the assessment of land revenue and the maintenance of land records. Criminal courts decide on cases that concern the violation of India's criminal code. Examples of criminal cases include assault, bribery, and harassment for dowry. Nyaya Panchayats are a component of the Panchayati Raj system at the village level. They hear petty civil and criminal cases. Appeals against the decisions of the Nyaya Panchayat can be made in higher courts. A Lok Adalat or People's Court offers an alternative to lengthy judicial procedures. A Lok Adalat provides speedy and affordable justice at the urban local level. Cases are settled amicably and in an informal setting. In several states of India, the judgment of the Lok Adalat is final and cannot be appealed against in a higher court of law. The various subordinate courts fall under the purview of the High Court. The High Court is the highest judicial authority of a state. However, the central government reserves the right to extend the jurisdiction of a single High Court to union territories and to other states. A state's High Court ensures that the state's subordinate courts follow due judicial procedure. The Supreme Court lies at the core of our country's judicial system. The Supreme Court is the highest court of law in India. It is also the highest court of appeal in all cases. No appeal can be made against the decision of the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court is located in New Delhi and it is presided by the Chief Justice of India. The Supreme Court has the power to interpret the Constitution of India. It can invalidate the actions of the executive or any law passed by the legislature. The hierarchical structure of our judicial system ensures that courts at the various levels resolve conflicts, administer justice, and uphold the laws of our nation. Think about this and discuss.